Good morning. Today is Monday, December 11th, 2023. I'm here at Sadler Point Marina, and this is a quick video for Cooter Conqueror. I'm not done with the boat. I just wanted to show you what exactly is going on with the boat. That's taken me a pretty long time to actually finish it. So I'm going to show you a part that I've already cleaned, and then I'm going to show you a spot right next to it that is exactly what the rest of the boat looks like. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean it all up, and then I'll get you an after video.